And sometimes when you in the nail salon, you don't even know what they saying about you. Am I lying? Unless you put one of them translators on. Yeah, I don't got time for that. So I can do my own nails at my own convenience, at my own time. And if I chip a nail, guess what? You know I'm going you know I'm gonna basically put it back on. You know? So yeah. I don't know about y'all, but look at these nails. Look at these. Let me get y'all close up. Y'all see this? It's so durable, y'all. It's so durable. And they got different patterns. Let me show you. They got different patterns, okay? It's about like 90 nails in here. I'm gonna take one off, right? And I'm gonna bend it. Look. It's like, it's not like that paperweight nail. You know what I mean? It's not the paper. It's not the paper. It lasts long. And I had to make sure that I had rocked my nails prior to let y'all know. And I rocked it and it lasts a long time. Okay? And so these are French. These are French, but they got designs in them, okay? They got designs in all different type of sizes, you know. So I'm telling you, I had to jump on that trend, right? I had to jump on it. And I got mine from the TikTok shop. And you know I linked it in my TikTok shop. So y'all might as well just jump on it, or you can link it on the video depending on when I had posted this video, okay? I'm just excited. And you know, you gotta do it right. Y'all can't be half-stepping doing y'all nails, okay? Y'all just can't just think it's gonna be glue. All right, that's a nail bump, because y'all know y'all gonna be asking me about what type of glue you had, because this nail glue lasts long. Okay, all right, y'all can't half stop it. All right, and then you gotta dehydrate your nails. Make sure you dehydrate your nails, okay? But before you dehydrate your nails, you gotta clean your nails. All right, so make sure that you invest in some, you know, wipes, alcohol wipes or whatever, or you can even use these Santy hand things, okay? You can do that. You gotta have your nail file. That's essential. Don't be just putting your nail on and not filing your nail down, okay? And you know you need the cuticle. You need to push that cuticle down before you put your nails on. Period. You know, when you go to the nail salon, they be pushing them cuticles down, hurting you. But at least I know my own pain level, so I like to do it myself and save my money. And hold up. What y'all know about this? What you know about? I be going heavy duty on these nails, okay? Because my nails ain't gonna be falling off. Okay, so look. See that? Your head? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, ain't no hair stopping. Now I gotta turn this thing off. There we go. And then my UV light. This joint right here, it counts down for you. It counts down for you. As soon as you put your hand in there, right, it starts counting down. But it knows I'm lifting it up, and it's probably wondering what I'm doing. But I'm telling you, when you give yourself me time and pamper yourself and you chip a nail, you just put it in your purse and make sure you have your glue in your nail file, okay? And you put it back on. And you mean tell me y'all want to keep spending your money when you could do it yourself the right way and don't have to worry about having no crooked nail? Let me know. Did y'all get these? Did y'all get these nails? Did y'all get these nails? Let me matter of fact, I'm gonna do you an action. I'm gonna do you an action. And I'm gonna put a nail on for you. Cause y'all know all y'all be saying the proof is in the pudding. Okay, I'm gonna show you some pudding, all right. I'm gonna show. Ooh, I like these. So I'm gonna do these. Yeah. A close up. Don't be making fun of my natural nail. Okay? Don't do that. Alright, so me putting on my nails, I'm gonna line it up. I like to go smaller because I know if I go bigger, it's not gonna last long. So I like to go smaller. Okay? So I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use this one. It works for me that way. Before I put this nail on, I'm not just going to use that glue, okay? We're not just going to start off with just using the glue. I am going to use my sandy hand. Hopefully y'all still with me, because y'all know y'all be trying to fast forward through here and not engaging in the videos. Y'all need to engage in the videos, especially if y'all want y'all points up. Ha! Y'all need to engage, you know. Shoot. Engage. You see this? Pronto. All right. So I'm just going to start with one hand right now. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it off. Shake, shake, shake. Dry it up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it off. All right. So now I am going to buff my nail. But then I want to go the extra mile. And I want to do that. When you do it your way, I do it my way. Because I know y'all going to be in the comments. Why you do it like that? Because I can. It's my nail. And I always do my thumb last. Thumb last. Shun, shun, shun. Okay. And now. Ooh, okay. Just letting y'all know that it works. I gotta push my cuticle down. Push it down. For nail growth. All right, y'all still with me? Y'all still with me? All right. And then dehydrate your nail. Give y'all the theatrics. And yes, I'm actually putting it on there because y'all be like, is she actually putting it on there? Yes, I am actually putting it on there. All right. And then I just want to buff it again. Because the reason why I'm buffing my nails is because I want to make sure that the glue stays on. Okay? So if I didn't buff it, these nails be flying everywhere. Be like flying popcorn. No, I don't want no flying popcorn. Alright, so I like to put glue on my nail. Okay? And also, before I go too far, y'all know I gotta do the inside of my nail. Because you can't be using that nail file to be doing that. I like to get in the inside to make it rough so it can stay longer. That's a must. Alright, so now I put glue in here too because I ain't trying to have my nails falling off. Even though I got extra nails. Still. And then I gotta make sure it's not crooked. And then I just hold it down like that, y'all. I just hold it down like that. I just hold it down like that, y'all. Like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Woohoo! This is over 10 minutes. And then it's on. See that? It's on. Just my nail look crooked. Alright. But I can fix that. If I want to. That's why I get for making fun of people. Putting on crooked nails. That's my business. And it's counting down. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's counting down. And pronto. Nail on. Nail glued on. Let me let y'all see. Nail glued on. Y'all see these? So let me know. Y'all gonna get them? It's down there. Click on that link. Click. Put it in your cart. Check it out. There you go. I saved you some money, didn't I? You can't tell me nothing. All right. See y'all. See y'all. See y'all. See y'all.